Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to Technology Explored. This is the part number 4 of the series complete cross-flow turbine project in SolidWorks. Here is the part which we are going to make today, and the work of this part is to hold the position of the seal which will be placed here. So the seal will protect the water from coming from this side to the bearing, and it will be definitely on the main shaft. Here you can see, first of all I will make this sketch and then I will extrude it up to 21 millimeters, and then I will make another sketch and then I will extrude it like this. So go to SolidWorks and then start from new part, sketch on right plane. First of all select the 3-point arc and draw two 3-point arcs opposite to each other like this. Press escape key, then select this point and this point, make them horizontal. Similarly select this point and this point, make them horizontally aligned. Again select this point and this point, make them vertically aligned. This point and this point, make them vertically aligned, and then select this center point of this arc, then the origin and this center point of this arc, then make the vertical relation between them. Then select the arcs, both arcs, and make them equal. After that draw a circle on origin and then draw a line. Start it from here up to this point like this. Once again another line like this. Now draw another circle on origin like this. Now we have to select this midpoint of this line and the origin, and then make the horizontal relation between them. Then select this line and this line, make them equal. Now start adding the dimensions. So first of all we have to add the total length of this part. Press and hold shift key from your keyboard and then select both these arcs. So once again let me tell you what I have done. Select the arc without pressing the shift key. See what will happen. The dimension will be from the center points. So by pressing and holding the shift key will switch the dimension from center point to the edges. You can also do it manually by selecting the dimension and then go to leaders and then scroll down and at the very end you will see these options: arc condition, first arc condition, select maximum and select maximum. So here is what I have done by pressing and holding the shift key. Okay, now once again click on this dimension to edit it. So this dimension is 216 millimeters, and for this circle we have the radius which is 84. So this is the diameter, so we have to type here 84 multiplied by 2. So this is the diameter. We have this diameter 142 millimeters, and this width is 115 millimeters. Radius of these arcs is 110 millimeter. Automatically SolidWorks has switched the location of this dimension, so we have to click on this dimension, then go to leaders, then scroll down, then from here select max and max. Now type here once again 216 millimeters. Okay, our sketch is now fully defined. Now we have to use the trim entities command from sketch tab, and then we can trim this side of the circle, this side, also this one and this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. So here we have one contour. Now press OK button and go to Features tab, and from there use the extruded bow space command, and the extrusion thickness or extrusion length is 21 millimeters. Now once again select this face and then sketch on it. Press Ctrl plus 8 key for normal to view orientation, and then select this circle, then select convert entities. Again once again select the circle and draw it on the origin. So you can see select the circle and this arc, make them equal. So once again our sketch is fully defined. Go to features tab and from there once again use the extruded boss base command, and the extrusion length is 29 millimeters. Click on hole desired command, and the diameter of hole or drill size is 18 millimeter. So select this type of hole, scroll down and from here select drill sizes, drop down this option of sizes, and from here select 18 millimeters. Here it is. Then for end condition we can select to all and nothing else. Now click on positions tab and from there select this face. Press Ctrl plus 8 key from your keyboard and then drop one point here and one point here. Now select both these points and make them vertically aligned. Once again select the point and the origin, make them vertically aligned. Then select the point and press and hold the shift key. Then type the distance, and this distance is 18 millimeters, and same we have 18 millimeter distance here. So this time I am going to select or change the position or the location of this dimension from here, leaders, so it will be better for you to learn. This time we can use the minimum. If I select maximum, see what happens for maximum, and here is for minimum. So once again click on this dimension to edit it, type here 18 millimeters. So sketch is fully defined, then press this button to continue. One mistake I have done which is that let me show you, we have the diameter of this circular edge which is 157, and what I have done wrong, I have made this circle equal to this circular edge. So this is not a big problem. Click on this boss extrude 2, then select edit sketch. What we have done, we have made this circle equal to this edge, so select this circle, and here is the relation equal radius. Right click on it and then select delete. Now define the diameter of this circle which is 157 millimeters. So here is what I want to do. Okay, and then press this button to save and exit from sketch mode. So we have updated our sketch. Now we can save this part. If you want to get this PDF, then you can comment below your email address. I will send it to you by email. So next part is that this side disc of the casing. Let's see in the main exploded view. Here is the main casing. So both these discs, a disc on this side and a disc on this side, will be mirrored to each other. So we have to make only one disc, and the other one we will make once we start the assembly by using the mirror component feature in the assembly. So first of all I will draw this sketch cross section area of this sketch, and then I will use the revolved extrude command. So go to SolidWorks again, and this time start from new part. Once again sketch on the right plane and draw a sketch by following my steps. Draw a center line on the origin. Now start adding the dimensions. So first of all, add the total diameter of this sketch, 570.6 millimeters, 570.6. Then this diameter is 499 millimeters. This diameter is 219 millimeters, and this diameter is 159.5 millimeter, 159.5 millimeters. And at the end we have this diameter, which is 141 millimeters, so 141 millimeter. And then define the angle between this line and this line, which is 54.9. This width is 5 millimeter. This width is 27 millimeter. This width is 8 millimeter. From here we have to rearrange our sketch. This we have 27 millimeter, and this width is 6.5 millimeter, and also this width is 6.5 millimeter. So but still our sketch is not fully defined because we have not mentioned this location of our sketch. So what should we do? We have to select this point and the origin, make them vertically aligned. So our sketch is now fully defined, you can see here. Now go to Features tab, and from there use the revolved boss base command and then press OK button. Next step is that we have to make these holes on our part. So there are two different types of holes. One type of hole, M14 jack bolt thread holes. Other one are these 15.5 mm drill size and quantity is 12. And then simply click on the hole wizard command, and from here select this type of hole, then scroll down, use the drill size in the type, and then scroll up and search for 15.5 mm, and the end condition is through all, and then click on positions tab, then select this face. Press Ctrl+8 key for normal to view orientation, and first of all draw a circle on origin. Check this option for construction geometry because I will use this circle for the PCD, and the PCD is 540 millimeters, 540 millimeters, and then drop a point on this quadrant point. Press OK button to continue, and now I am going to use the circular pattern. From features and faces, select this hole, and for the direction 1 select this circular edge, type here the quantity, which is 12, and then press OK button to continue. Now I am going to add the M14 threaded holes. So this time I will use the straight type of hole from here, and then here are the sizes. Scroll down and search for M14. Here is the M14, and for end condition it is through all. Scroll down, and from options select this option, and make sure to check this option with thread callout. Then click on positions button here, and then select this face. Press Ctrl+8 key from your keyboard, and then draw an arc. Start it from this center point up to this center point. Then check this option for construction geometry and press OK button, and then select this arc and this circular edge, make them concentric. Then drop a point on the midpoint of this arc like this, and then press this button to continue. Now we have to make the circular pattern of these jack bolts. Once again click on this arrow below the linear pattern button, and from there select circular pattern. Now select this thread hole, then for direction 1 click on this box and then select this circular edge. Type here the quantity, which is 3, and then press OK button. Here is the detail of these holes. These are M24 threaded holes and the quantity is 4. They are 7.7 degree away from this line. So once again go to SolidWorks, then click on hole wizard command, select this type of hole, straight tab, then scroll down and from here search for M24 and here it is. For end condition it is through all and make sure to check with thread call out. So click on positions button, then select this face, press Ctrl+8 key for normal to reorientation and then draw 2 center lines, one like this and the other like this. Add the angle between both these lines and which is 7.7 degree and then draw a circle on the origin and and check this option for construction geometry. Now type here the diameter of this circle, 367.7 millimeters, and then drop a point on this circle, then select this point and this line and make them coincident. Now we can press OK button to continue. Once again we have to make a circular pattern. So for direction select this circular edge and the quantity is 4. Simply now press OK button, then select hole wizard command and then straight tab, scroll down and search for M14. Here is M14 and condition is through all. So now go to positions and then select this face and then drop a point somewhere here, then draw a center line on origin like this. Now type here the distance, which is 71.6 millimeters. Now another thing, we have to draw a circle like this, then check this option for construction geometry, then select this point and this circle, make them coincident. Now type here the diameter of the PCD, which is 180 millimeters, 180 millimeter, and now press OK button to continue. Once again we have to make circular pattern and for direction select this circular edge and the quantity 2, then press OK button. Okay, let me show you one more thing. By chance I have selected this face instead of this face. So due to this reason the hole is not throughout this part because the hole is starting from this face. So how to fix this issue? Simply expand this feature and from here select edit sketch plane, and here you can see the face 1 is selected and it is now blue. So right click on here and then select clear section, then select this face, this one, and then press OK button. Now you can see we have fixed the mistake. We have made the total diameter of this part 570.6 millimeters, but this is the distance from the here up to the end of this part, and the total diameter is 580 millimeters. So go to SolidWorks once again and then here on revolve 1 select edit sketch, press Ctrl+8 and here is the 570.6 millimeter diameter and click on it to edit it, then type 580 millimeters, then press this button to save and exit from sketch mode. Okay, there are 3 dimensions related to this cut. One is the length of this cut, the other one is the total distance from here up to the end of the part, and the third dimension is this angle, which is 9.2 degree. So go to SolidWorks and then select this face and sketch on it. Draw a line like this, then draw a 3-point arc like this, then draw a center line on the origin, then add the angle between both these lines, which is 9.2 degree. Add the total length, which is 146.4 millimeters. So our sketch is fully defined, so there is no need to add this distance. Now go to features tab and from there use extruded cut command and click on this arrow and drag it like this to make this cut through all this part. Then press OK button to continue. So we have done this part. Now you can save this part. Okay, this was the today's video, and in the next video we will start making the runner. So keep watching this video series, and I hope you have learned and enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and sparing time. Don't forget to subscribe this YouTube channel for more videos like this.